Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back. We will start chapter 12 of Geography, India, Minerals and Energy Resources. In this chapter, we will be discussing about minerals and classification of minerals. Especially, we are discussing about metallic minerals today. We will complete the lecture with two more other videos. So today's discussions we are concentrating on minerals, classification of minerals, that is minerals are classified into metallic, non-metallic and minerals used as energy resources. Today we will be discussing about metallic minerals only. So let us start. Please open your textbook, page number 96. India, Minerals and Energy Resources. Requirements of primitive man were limited. He worked only to sustain his life. Man conquered the heights of evolution. Minerals have a large role in human progress. Mineral is a natural resource. Please underline that. Mineral is a natural resource. As you know, ancient time, before settling the life, human beings, their requirements were limited. They wanted things only for eating, and they used remaining time, they were wandering here and there to sustain their life. After a long time, after conquering many changes in life, they found that minerals have a large, they found many new things, and that was minerals, especially minerals. Minerals have a large role in the human progress. As you know, minerals we are getting from nature as such. So we can call it as a natural resource. Human evolution process is divided into various ages. As you know, the first stage of our life was Stone Age, where we used all type of stone weapons. We used stone for all type of our requirements. After that came the Bronze Age, then came Iron Age and Modern Age, and now we are living in an age of Atomic Age. In Stone Age, man used stones for hunting, but now he is traveling into space. We know Stone Age, why it is known as Stone Age? Because man used all type of weapons, resources, everything which was made out of stone. But now years passed, lots of changes happened in the world, and now we are in a stage to travel to space. We are traveling to space. We are conquering moon. We have conquered moon. Now we are planned to reach Mars. So we are traveling to space. Man's relation with minerals is very old and strong. Starting from Stone Age, our relation with minerals are old and strong. Today, minerals are considered to be the backbone of economic development of any nation. Please underline. Why minerals are considered to be the backbone of economic development of a nation? Because without minerals, our life is zero. We utilize all type of minerals. Especially countries like United States of America and Russia have become world powers only due to the proper use of minerals. Both countries are rich in variety of minerals and prosperity. Even though our country, India, has the potential, huge reserves of minerals, long-term dependence and the absence of technical knowledge resulted in lesser economic development. As you know, our country, we are having a vast collection of minerals. But the problem is, we are till this age, that is 21st century, till 21st this rate, we are not able to become a number one nation in the world. The reason is absence of our technical knowledge and long-term dependence on other countries. Till for about 200 years, our country was under the control of foreigners. They have extracted our minerals, they have used to the maximum level, and we were not in a position to control that. When these people went, the Europeans left the country, the Britishers left the country, still now we are in a state of absence of technical knowledge. We are trying our level best to become a number one nation in the world by utilizing the different minerals. As you all know, modern age is also known as mineral age. What is the reason for that? Modern age is also known as the mineral age. What is the reason for that? Give reason. Requirement of primitive man were limited. He worked only to sustain his life. Man conquered the heights of the evolution and technological development. Minerals played a very large role in the human progress. In Stone Age, man used stones for hunting, but now he is traveling into space. The use of minerals has tremendously increased after the Industrial Revolution. With time, new inventions and development keep on taking place in all the fields. Every day there is some or other product coming up in the world. All these inventions and discoveries resulted in producing product to cater the demand. We use a lot of gadgets, vehicles, service compared to the past. All these involve use of minerals. Hence we can say that modern age is also known as mineral age. This question you can expect for give reason. In this map, you will be able to see the places are marked where the availability of minerals are marked. As you know, this is chapter from geography. It is having 1 mark value for map marking. So, you will get 1 mark either you will get 1 mark for map marking. You are supposed to mark any one item, anything which is mentioned in the textbook. For example, manganese, copper, asbestos, chalk, natural gas, uranium, thorium, tungsten, उसमें से कुछ भी कोई भी एक टॉपिक आएगा आपको इंडिया मैप में मार्क करने के लिए. So this chapter is having the value of map marking. So please get ready with some maps for pasting in your notebook. Now come to the next topic, mineral. What is the meaning of the word mineral or define mineral? Underline, the matter which is formed due to inorganic process and has a certain chemical composition is called a mineral. What is a mineral? What do you mean by mineral? Mineral which is formed due to inorganic process. Formation is inorganic and has certain chemical composition also. That type of materials are called minerals. It can also define as it will be either solid or it will be a liquid or it will be a gaseous matter which is formed due to specific abiotic process within the rocks in the interior of the earth, has a certain chemical composition, homogeneous constitution and a specific atomic structure. As a student of chemistry, you know what is chemical structure, atomic structure and all. See this item, this is having a chemical composition. The mineral which we are talking about, it is having a particular chemical composition. It is having a homogeneous constitution and it is having a specific atomic structure. Such an item is called a mineral. This sentence also you can write as a definition, or the first sentence also you can write as a definition. Which one is easy for you, you can use that. So, minerals are formed due to the biotic process which took place in the interior part of the earth since infinite times. आज से शुरू नहीं हुआ, ये तो changes earth के अंदर बहुत इंटीरियर रीजन में बहुत सालों से चेंजेस होता है और यूजिंग द डिफरेंट आइटम्स inside and from the top of the earth which mix together and form a mineral to form the formation of the mineral. Let us continue the same topic. Minerals exist in all the three forms that are already we have discussed. Either it will be in solid form, either it will be liquid form or in a gaseous form. For example, iron, manganese, gold, silver, etc. are solid minerals. You will get the ores of iron, that is iron ore, manganese ore, gold, silver, etc. we will find in the solid form. At the same time, mercury, petroleum, etc. we are getting in the liquid form. Sometime at the same time we will be able to find gaseous minerals also, for example natural gas. So, we are having examples for the three stages or three physical forms of minerals. Now, the type of minerals that is available from the interior of the earth depends on how the crust of earth originated. For example, iron, copper, zinc, gold, silver, etc. are found in igneous rocks that we have already discussed about the minerals and which they are formed. I hope you remember the chapter in 9th standard where chapter 14 India Geological Structure Physiography part 2, there we have discussed about minerals and the type of minerals we have discussed. For example, rock, there we have discussed about the rocks can be, it will be hard rocks are there, soft rocks are there. A composite matter made up of one or more mineral is called a rock. See, here comes the minerals, and this rocks we are having three types of rocks, that is igneous rocks, stratified rocks and metamorphic rocks. I hope you remember this section. For example, we have discussed about igneous rocks, which we are still continuing here about that rocks. Here I hope you remember igneous rocks, the intense heat in the interior of the earth is responsible for the formation of rocks. For example, after the magma, that is from volcanic eruption, after volcanic eruption, the magma, when it will become cool, this will result in the it will on the crust of the earth, these rocks will be formed earlier, and this rocks we call it igneous rocks. I hope you remember. Then we have discussed about stratified rocks, as well it is also known as sedimentary rocks. Then metamorphic rocks also we have discussed there, and in that chapter we have divided minerals. Mineral which is formed due to the natural organic or inorganic process, and it is having a special specific chemical composition. I hope you remember this thing. Minerals will be available in the interior of the earth in the either in solid, liquid or in gaseous forms. This all we have discussed in the previous in last year 9th standard. I hope it was in chapter 14. Yes, we have discussed about all these things. Now, here according to today's discussion, the type of minerals that is available from the interior of the earth depends on how the crust of the earth originated. For example, iron, copper, zinc, gold, silver, etc. are found in igneous rocks. Energy and diamonds are found in metamorphic rocks. Coming here, page number 96 of the textbook, classification of minerals, that chart is there. So, minerals are classified into three, that is metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals and minerals used as energy resources. First one, metallic resources, that is again divided into precious metallic minerals, light metallic minerals, minerals used for common purpose, minerals used as alloys. Today we will be discussing about this section, that is minerals, not totally all these sections, we will be discussing about some minerals which we are using like iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite, limestone, lead, mica, etc. we will be discussing today. Okay. So, first of all you should think or remember this thing, minerals are classified into three: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals and minerals used as energy resources. This is the way how we are studying this lesson also. If this classification of minerals are there in your mind, you will be able to write many answers very nicely. So, first we will discuss about metallic minerals. Now, we will start discussing about each and every one metallic minerals in detail. First of all, we will discuss about iron ore. What do you mean by iron ore? The basic mineral which we get from earth and we make it and changes into the form of iron. Iron is considered to be the base of industrial development of modern world. It is one of the highest used mineral of the world because maximum items we are preparing from iron. From a small safety pin to a large machine, car, truck, ship, railway, bridges, buildings, weapons, everything we are manufacturing from iron. It is cheap, strong and durable and is easily available in most of the countries. Almost all the countries are having the store of iron. It has a virtue to mix with other minerals, hence it is considered to be an important mineral. Iron ore is having the ability to mix with other minerals so that we can make many items from a iron ore. Iron is found in impure condition, so it is mixed with coke and lime and heated in a large furnace for refining. The pure iron which we are getting is known as pig iron. Have you heard about pig iron? I hope you have studied about pig iron in your science classes. Pig iron, it is an intermediate product of iron industry. It is also known as crude iron, which is obtained by smelting iron ore in a blast furnace at a high temperature. A pig iron has a very high carbon content, which makes it very brittle and not only useful directly as a material except for limited applications. So, this is about pig iron and we are having 4 types of iron found in India. In India, we are having 4 types of iron. According to the available or content of carbon in iron, we are classifying the types of iron. So, which are the types of iron we are finding in India? Hematite, magnetite, limonite and siderite. These are the types of iron we are having in India. Here you will be able to see the picture of pig iron. Now, which are the states in India producing iron? Here you will see 2 categories: maximum producers of iron and not maximum producers, but iron is there. See this type of this you will see in this chapter. In India, maximum iron ore is obtained from Karnataka. Please underline. For example, in your map marking, you are getting a question, mark the state where iron ore is found. In such a situation, you are supposed to mark the state where maximum iron ore is produced. All the minerals I am telling, I am giving as an example. So, maximum iron is produced in Karnataka. At the same time, we are having other states also producing iron. Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh are also producers of iron. इसके अलावा iron ore is also found in Goa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh and Assam states. Okay. So, these are the main states. But I told you, when a question is coming, that time first you give preference for writing or showing the place where maximum mineral is found. That is, for example, if it is iron ore, you have to mark Karnataka. Anywhere in Karnataka you can mark, and that is don't go to the particular place where in Karnataka, which particular place, don't go for that. Mark Karnataka. Okay. Hope you understood this. What are the different uses of iron? As we have discussed in the previous paragraph, iron ore is one of the highest used mineral in the world. We are using iron in the manufacturing of a small pin to a gigantic machine. Gigantic means very huge machines. In the manufacturing of cars, trucks, ships, railways, bridges, buildings, weapons, etc., etc. We don't know, we can never limit the use of iron. It is used to make steel, manganese steel, etc. Another question you can expect for give reason. Iron is one of the most important mineral of the world. Why? What is iron? We are using as the most important mineral. The base mineral for industrial development of modern world is iron. It is one of the highest used mineral in the world. It is used in making small as well as gigantic machines. It is cheap, strong, durable and is available in almost all the countries. Moreover, it can be easily get mixed with other minerals to produce new minerals. Owing to its abundance, availability, extremely wide use and ease of getting mixed with other minerals, it is considered as one of the most important mineral. Now moving to the next metallic mineral, that is manganese. Manganese is an important mineral for iron and steel industry. What are the different uses of manganese? Manganese is mainly used to make steel from iron. Its other uses in chemical industry as bleaching powder, insecticides, dry battery cell and tiles. It is also useful in leather industry, glass industry, matchbox industry, photography, china clay utensils and colored bricks. The rails made of steel and roads become more flexible and strong when manganese is mixed with it. With the steel, when we are mixing manganese, it will become more flexible and strong. When steel is mixed with steel is used in the machines to break rocks and also in grinding machines. Which are the states which produce manganese? Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Goa are the major manganese producing states. Also, states like Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Gujarat are also leading producers of manganese. In Gujarat, manganese deposits is found in Panchmahal, Vadodara and Dahod districts. Now moving to copper. Copper is used since primitive times. This was the first mineral used by man. Copper has quite good mixing property which makes it a very important metal. When we are mixing copper with a tin, it becomes bell metal. Bell metal means it is an alloy of copper and tin for making bells with a higher tin content than in bronze. It's another question which arises in your mind. Why are bells made of metal? Why can't we make any other, why can't we use any other mineral for making bells? because as you know, bells are made from metals because metals have a property of producing a ringing on striking called sonorous property. Bells are very strong and light also. What are the uses of copper, or what are the utility of copper? Copper is used mostly in making of electric equipments, telephone, radio, television, refrigerator, air conditioner and so on so. It is a good conductor of electricity. It is also used in insecticides, explosives, colored glass, coins and in printing. These are the uses of copper. Now we will discuss about the states or the leading states producing copper. As you know, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan are the leading producers of copper. States like Sikkim and Andhra Pradesh are also producers. At the same time, you will find copper deposits in Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand states. Now come to bauxite. This is an aluminium ore, or the ore from which aluminium is obtained is called bauxite. Bauxite is extracted from earth and is purified to obtain aluminium. Bauxite was first found at Les Baux in 1921 in France, and thus it got the name bauxite. From the place Les Baux, they got the name bauxite. What are the different properties of aluminium? As you know, bauxite is a very light in weight and it is strong, durable, good conductor of electricity, at the same time rust free and easily ductile. These properties make it a very useful metal. What are the different uses of bauxite? Bauxite is widely used in the manufacturing of household utensils, electrical wires, gadgets, colors and in shipbuilding. Now we will discuss about the leading producers or the states which are producing bauxite. States like Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat are the major producers of bauxite. It is also found in the Deccan Trap, which is a geological structure in the Deccan Plateau. At the same time, it is also found in Ranchi and Jharkhand. In Gujarat, we will find bauxite in Jamnagar, Bhavnagar, Junagadh, Amreli, Surat and Sabarkanda districts. Now, mica. In some places, especially in Gujarat, some people will say mica, and some places we will say mica. Both the things are same. For me, it is mica. India ranks first in the world in the production of mica. Please underline. India is the leading producer of mica in the world. What are the properties or the specialities of mica? Mica is a fire resistant and a bad conductor of electricity. So, it is used in making electrical goods such as electric motors, dynamo, radio, telephone, car, stereo, steamers, etc. The states which produce mica, Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan are the major producers of mica. At the same time, Karnataka, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu are also producers of mica. India is a large producer of a type of mica called muscovite mica. Please underline. In India, we are getting the maximum availability, or we are having the large collection of muscovite mica. Please underline. One, lead. Lead is obtained from its ore called galena. Please underline galena. It's the ore of lead is called galena. Speciality or properties of lead is it is soft but heavy. It is having huge weight. It is also used for making alloys, electric wires, color, glass, rubber, storage battery, etc. India produces lead in quite a large quantity, but at the same time, we are not able to meet the demands of our country. So, we have to import lead from other countries. Tell me the states which are the leading producers of lead. Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are the major producers of lead. At the same time, we are getting lead from states like West Bengal, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Meghalaya and Sikkim. Coming to the last metallic mineral in our textbook, that is limestone, chuna. Limestone is a sedimentary rock which mainly consists of calcium carbonate. What are the uses of limestone? Limestone is largely used in the production of cement. It is also used for melting iron in chemical industry, in making soda ash, soap, colors, chemicals, building construction, paper and for refining sugar. Producing limestone. Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu produces about 70% of limestone for India. States like Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh are the other states producing limestone. In India, Jamnagar, Kutch, Amreli and Kheda districts are the main producers of limestone. At the same time, Banaskantha, Mehsana, Sabarkantha, Vadodara, Panchmahal, Bharuch, Narmada, Surat, Bhavnagar and Rajkot are also producers of limestone. With this, we come to the end of metallic minerals and today's topics. Now we are moving to the worksheet of today's discussion. जितना आज हमने complete किया, that is metallic minerals के related जितना questions है वो आज हम complete कर रहे हैं. So come to worksheet, page number 101 of your textbook. Section 1, not a single question is there from the topic which we discussed today. So we are moving to second section. Answer the following questions point wise. Question number 1, state the uses of limestone. For that, please come to page number 98 of your textbook. Page number 98 of your textbook, under the heading limestone, first paragraph full you can write as the answer for the uses of limestone, or in this today's clip you can see uses of limestone. Under the heading I have given that also same, both the things are same. In textbook page number 98, under the heading limestone, first paragraph, limestone is used in large quantity in the production of cement. Besides that, it is also used for iron melting, chemical industry, soda ash, soap, color chemicals, building construction, paper and in sugar refining. Question number 2, state about mica. State about mica. For that, same page, page 98 of your textbook, first heading, India ranks first in the world in mica production. It is fire resistant and a bad conductor of electricity. So, it is used in making electrical goods such as electric motors, dynamo, radio, telephone, cars, steamers, etc. Question number 3. Mention the utility of copper. In this video, you will get a heading under copper. That is video clip number 18. अंडर द क्लिप कॉपर के बाद उसका नेक्स्ट हेडिंग यूसेस और यूटिलिटी. उसमें कॉपर का यूसेस मैंने मेंशन किया है 1, 2, 3 पॉइंट्स आर देयर. कॉपर इज यूज्ड मोस्टली इन द मेकिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक इक्विपमेंट्स, टेलीफोन, रेडियो, टेलीविजन, रेफ्रिजरेटर, एयर कंडीशनर एक्सेट्रा. इट इज़ ए गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, एक्सप्लोजिव्स, कलर्ड ग्लास, coins and in printing. This you can write as answer to this question. Question number 4, write about the classification of minerals. For that, please come to page number 96. Page number 96, that's heading you have seen the drawings. With that drawings, classification of minerals. If you draw that, that is well and enough for 2 mark. If the question is for 3 or 4 mark, then you may please First you draw and you have to explain it. So in your notebook you can draw this chart. That's enough for your notebook, but for examination, if it is coming for 3 or 4 mark, then you have to draw the chart and you have to explain it. Come to the next section, question number section 3. Answer the following questions in brief. Page number 102. Question number 1. Modern age is known as mineral age. Why? That answer I have given in this video with under the heading modern age is known as mineral age. That question I have discussed. Already one topic we have discussed, that is modern age is also known as mineral age. Distribution of India map जो दिया है उसके ऊपर वाला topic है वो पूरा है answer. Now question number 3. 2 we will discuss in other tomorrow. Question number 3. State the major places where iron is available. For this you can come to your today's video. Under the picture of pig iron, you will see the heading iron producing states. That 3 points are there. You can write that 3 points, or in your text, same point I have discussed here. Same points we are having in page number 97 of our textbook under the heading iron ore. Last paragraph of iron ore. Maximum iron ore is obtained from Karnataka state in India. Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh are other producers respectively. Besides, iron ore is also found in Goa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, UP and Assam. Both the things are same. This I have written in point wise. In textbook it is written in sentence, means continuously it has written. Now question number 4. Which states in India produce manganese? In our textbook, page number 97, under the heading manganese, second paragraph, Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Goa can be counted as major states of manganese producers. Besides manganese, it is also obtained from Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Gujarat states. So this answer you can write. Which states? So you can write states like Odisha, Hyderabad, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Goa are the major producers of manganese. States like Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Gujarat are also producing manganese for India. So this much about today's section. So as usual, how I am telling you, same procedure you will be doing in copying this chapter. First you will be writing main points of today's section, then leave one page for writing the remaining main points. Then you can write today's question answers which we have discussed, and you can start writing the extra question extra MCQs also. I would like to add one more thing. In this chapter you are having map marking. Already we have discussed about iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite, mica, lead and limestone. You can expect one question. So if possible, after each section you may please paste one map. For example, my question is mark the place where maximum iron ores are found. So you can mark Odisha, first of all you should mark Karnataka. You can mark Karnataka with a symbol, one triangle or one circle, and you can show that and at the down index you should show the same symbol and write which mineral it is. So I will show in the last video the map marking I will draw and I will show you, but keep or get ready with the maps of India so that you can do at the last. Hope you understood today's session. We will continue the next topic in the next class on Wednesday, 16th Wednesday we will continue. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.